everyone, this is Cherry Hex, and this is my first unboxing video ever, so I'm just gonna wing it. And this is the movie that I did the teaser on, so let's get to it. Alright, so this has been sitting in my room for like almost 3 weeks, and I just wanted to do an unboxing video, so here we go. And it's 1981's Possession. Yes, right on. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna open it up. And I got this off of eBay, and this is supposed to be a deluxe Blu-ray edition, and it has alternate audio, so it's never been opened. And yeah, so let's see what it comes with. Alright, so first of all, this is velvet. Okay, you guys, this is a velvet cover, right? Front and back. It's all velvet right there. Awesome. Let's open it up. Let's take it out of its little velvet cover. Alright. Let's see what else. It's supposed to come with like a whole bunch of stuff, so let's see how I can. Oh, here we go. Open it up. Whoa. As you can see, it's signed by the director, Andrzej Żuławski. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. You'll let me know in the comments, right? Okay, so here it is. Whoa, look at that. So it's, I believe it's 2 discs. This Blu-ray, not 4K. And they were very, it's quite rare collection, because it's, I think only 2,000 of them were made. So let me see if I can open up this part here. Hold on a second. Let's close that up. There we go. Whoa, here we are. Oh, this is so neat. Let me put it back down again. So it comes with this envelope, and it's supposed to have artwork, I think. Let me check it out. Again, I apologize. This is my first unboxing, so. Oh, it's got the movie stills. Let's see. And that's when she has her breakdown in the middle of the movie. The most unforgettable scene. And there is Sam Neill, and this is Sam Neill's first movie. This was his debut. That. Whoa, this is really cool. I'm going to put that back in there. So, you know what? I'll just set this aside for now. Okay. And then, oh wow, look at this. Comes with artwork from the movie. Check out the artwork. See here. Whoa, this is pretty wicked. Whoa, look at that. So they're beautifully drawn. I'm going to do a deep dive later, and then I'll, let you know who the artist is of the artwork and all that. Again, this is just like a little quick unboxing here. And, ooh, and a certificate of authenticity. Look at that. So see, this is number 1778 of 2000. So, comes with all this stuff. Ooh, let me see. I'm looking for the Japanese reproduction. It's got the soundtrack, also the soundtrack list. And, oh, here we go. So it comes with all kinds of goodies. Look at that. That's the Japanese version. Possession. I think. Sorry, my hiragana is a bit rusty. My Japanese is a bit rusty. Oh, and it comes with this booklet. Look at that. So again, I got this off of eBay. And if you could get your hands on this version, again, there's only 2,000 of them made, so they're pretty rare to come and hard to come by. So I got pretty lucky for the price that I got it for. So, and that's it. So I'm going to put all this back here. Anyway, so again, apologies that my unboxing seems kind of crude because it's, again, my first unboxing video ever. So thank you so much for hanging in there with me. And I promise the next one will be a little easier and a little smoother, okay? And thank you so much for the following and for the messages and the comments on my page. And I appreciate you. Love you guys. Mwah.